How to fix Greenworks battery not charging. So whether it's a 24 or 40 or 60 or higher volt, there are a few things you can do temporarily or quick fixes you can try to maybe just help with small problems that may be causing the battery to not work. So the first thing you can do is to confirm the power source of your actual battery. So make sure the outlet works. So try plugging it in other devices. So once you try plugging it in another device, it could be the actual device that's having error or having the problem. So that's how you'll know that the problem is from that specific battery. So avoid power strips or surge protectors. So by that, just plug directly into the wall. So if your battery charger looks something like this, dust or certain debris buildup can start piling up in this area over here. That can cause the charging process to have problems and whatnot. So you can go ahead and try cleaning it with a brush if you have one. So this is very optional what brush you use. So just clean that little area over there for dust particles over here. See, this is the example of our dust particles. So clean that all the way. And also make sure that the battery itself or the battery charger is not wet. Never charge your electronics if it's wet, because not only can that cause problems to the device, it can also be dangerous to you. So wipe it off with a nice wipe or a nice cloth like this, a clean cloth to avoid any other sort of debris to get into the charging device or the battery itself once you're cleaning. If you're using this type of charger other than the one behind everything, make sure there's no burning thingies over here. If it is, then of course the charger itself may be broken, but there are chances that both the battery and the charger can be broken as well. So if it's broken, then the only thing you can do at that point is to go for a replacement, since trying to fix a broken battery can most likely lead to more problems. And if the battery itself was somewhat fully drained, then the BMS may shut it down. So insert into charger and leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes once it gets very much drained, it does take more time to charge up. So rather than waiting for your usual time, give it more time to charge. But if the battery is somewhat swollen around, you can go ahead and check for that. If it has cracked housings or a burning smell, or it was recently dropped or wet, you're gonna have to stop using it immediately to avoid any further damages and for safety, of course, and try contacting Greenworks support on what to do next, because most of the time it's usually going to lead to a replacement. But that's pretty much all the information or um, options you can do for now. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.